Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Project39 Mini Albums. I'm going to be taking part in a collab, and this collab is the Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. It is hosted by Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts. There is, of course, a list of participants, so when we start posting the videos, we would love for you to check out what everybody is making. So what we're doing is we're taking one paper pad, and here we go. This is my paper pad. And every week we're going to be posting what we make with the paper pad. We don't have to finish it. We just have to make 4 different Christmas projects. So let's take a walkthrough of this paper pad and see if we can come up with some ideas on things that I could possibly make with it. So it's called Red and White Christmas. It's from Recollections. It's got 24 designs and 48 sheets. So that's going to be 2 of each. It's got foiling on it, so as you can see, the snowflake has the silver foiling. These Christmas words all are done in the red foiling. Those always make a nice background, and if I were to make cards, that would be fabulous. This is a pretty page with the houses. I could see that as being on a cover of a mini album, or even fussy cutting those out. And here's a page of cut apart, so good if I'm going to make Christmas cards. Good start. The mittens are cute. Here's one of those whole page spreads. Not my favorite, but I can use it in certain ways. I can cut out some of this plaid. I can cut out some of these little details. Maybe I can do something with that whole thing. Make a sign. Red and white polka dots. Red and white diagonal stripes are cool. Another whole page, but there is a big area here that I can cut apart. And if I'm doing pockets in my mini albums, I can cut this part out and that would make a nice pocket. And of course I could make this part of a mini album or a Christmas card. Some different poinsettias. Red and white stripes. There is that leaf that we saw on those larger pages. I don't know if this is going to give you all a headache from looking at it, but it's just a pretty design. Oh, some more pretty foiling. So it's got red snowflakes in it with silver foiling. More of those houses on a gray background. Red polka dot. Nice design with red foiling. It's got trees and stars and hearts. Oh, pretty. A very stylized dove with some pretty leaves on the background. Mittens and snowflakes. Plaid. More red foiled designs, and again, this would be great for making pockets on a mini album. That's just a nice generic background. It's got a sort of a stylized poinsettia design. Okay, and here's more cut aparts, and the way I'd use these is for the titles on a mini album or as flips in a mini album, and this would be good for journaling in a mini. And another plaid. So that's what I have out of this book. I am going to make 4 projects out of it. If you have any ideas on what you'd like to see, go ahead and leave me a note in the comments. I will start November 4th is going to be the first project, so I guess I better get to work. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when I finish it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.